able to go along with your flavors of the month. So we have the cardstock add-on, perfect for those that love to scrap on cardstock or mat your photos or do digital die cutting. We have patterned paper add-ons for you patterned paper lovers, and embellishment add-on. You can add one or all three to your flavors of the month to have it go even further. For the cardstock, you receive 3 additional sheets of cardstock to go with each one of the 4 collections. So you can see Rochelle does a wonderful job matching up the colors. So starting with the Cartabella Our House collection, you'll receive 2 sheets of lava cardstock and 1 sheet of quartz. And then for the Crepe Paper La La Love collection, you're going to receive 2 sheets of boysenberry and 1 sheet of turquoise. And then for Echo Park Let's Party, you'll receive 2 sheets of canary and 1 sheet of lollipop. And then for Simple Stories Kissing Booth, there's 2 sheets of Arroyo and 1 sheet of maraschino. So again, that is perfect if you love to start your scrapbook layouts with cardstock or do the digital die cuts and back them with your patterned papers or mat your photos. So be sure to check out the cardstock add-on. Next, let's look at the patterned paper. For the patterned paper, you'll receive 2 additional sheets for each one of the 4 collections. These papers won't be in your flavors of the month. They're 2 additional patterns. So for Cartabella Our House, you have this beautiful pink with the fall phrases on it and then some fall leaves. The back is a turquoise with the 4 dots and an X design on it. This paper is called Home Sweet Home. The second paper is this beautiful butterfly print on the purple background, kind of a plum background. The back is a chevron design in pink. This paper is called Butterflies. From Crepe Paper La La Love, we have this paper called Heartbeat that has all of these fun little hearts, the faces and the phrases on them. The back is a 2-toned pink stripe, and then it has some distressing of kind of like white paint splatters on it. This one called Sugar Sugar has the cherries on a pink background, and the back is a gold with a white crosshatch design. From Echo Park Let's Party, we have this balloon print on a white background. The back is a 2-toned pink and the words say party. Our next paper are these darling cakes. I love that they did the confetti and then the striped layers of cakes on the little cake stands. Very different. The back is a turquoise with the word surprise. This paper is called Cut the Cake. Then Simple Stories Kissing Booth. We have this one called Crazy for You, and it's all the little ticket stubs with Valentine type love sayings on them. The back is pink it's pink polka dots, red hearts on a black background. This one called I Love Day has all of the hearts with the different patterns from the patterned papers in this collection. We have wood grain and the check and the floral stripes, polka dots. And the back are, again, word phrases, kisses, love, adore, sweetheart. Very cute, white on pink. So one more look at the patterned paper. And you can see if you're a B-side scrapper like I am, a lot of these collections would go together. So don't be afraid to mix up the patterns in your collection. So that is your patterned paper. Now for the embellishments. For the Cartabella Our Home collection, you're going to receive half of the frames and tags ephemera. So your kits will vary, but here is what was in mine. Most all of these that are the square, the rectangles, they punch out, so you could use them as they are or punch it out and have 2 different pieces. Everything from fall to cooking, anything about your home. Then for crate paper, La La Love, you're going to get a half a sheet of the stickers, so they will vary again, and a roll of washi. So the one I got is pink with a red saying, says Happy Heart Day. And then for Echo Park Let's Party, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So there's this scalloped border here, that's the chains, and then a striped border, large words, ready to do your titles on your pages to make them quick and easy. Then all kinds of birthday icons. For Simple Stories Kissing Booth, you're going to get the chipboard embellishments. So these are the chipboard stickers. Beautiful colors and ready for all of your Valentine layouts. So that's a look at the 3 add-ons for your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to come on over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook group to join in on the challenges, see what the design team's creating with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. Check out all the other kits available from the ScrapRoom store. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.